If you suspect that your Netflix account has been compromised, it's important to act quickly to regain access and secure your account. Follow these steps to restore your access. Step 1. Visit the Netflix login page. Go to the official Netflix website and click on the Sign In button. Enter your email address and password to attempt logging in. Step 2. Reset your password. If you cannot log in, click on the Forgot Password link. Enter your email address associated with the account and follow the instructions sent to your email to reset your password. Step 3. Check account activity. Once logged in, navigate to the account section. Look for the recent device streaming activity to review any unauthorized access or suspicious activity. Step 4. Sign out of all devices. To ensure that no one else is using your account, go to the account settings and select Sign out of all devices. This will log everyone out, including any unauthorized users. Step 5. Update security settings. Change your password again to something strong and unique. Additionally, consider enabling two-factor authentication if available, and review your account settings for any changes that may need to be reverted. Taking these steps will help you regain control of your Netflix account and protect it from future unauthorized access. Always keep your login information secure and monitor your account regularly.